Alright, so let's pick up where we left off. So I have 156 over 4. Well, again, I know that that fraction bar means division. So what I want to do, is I want to go ahead and divide those. So I'm going to divide them off to the side where I have room. So I'm going to take 156 and I'm going to divide that by 4. 4 goes into 15 3 times, and that gives me 12. And then I know that 5 minus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is just 0. Go ahead and bring down that 6. 4 goes into 36. Well, I think it's 9 times. So I know that 9 times 4 gives me 36. And I'm left over with no remainder. So I know that 39 people are going to buy a new game system. Okay, well, if I had a total of 156, that's how much I started off with, was 156. Out of that 156, I know that 104 people are going to be buying a new game system. So what I need to do is I need to subtract those two first. So let's do that off to the side. So I'm going to take 156. That's how much I started off with. And I'm going to already subtract those people who bought that game system. So minus 104. 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 0 is 5, and I know that 1 minus 1 is just 0. Okay, so that takes care of these people. But I have to see how many people bought the game system, so I've got to also subtract this. So let's go ahead and subtract 52 minus 39. Well, I have to borrow, so I have to make this a 4, and then this becomes a 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I know that only 13 people, just 13 people, are going to buy nothing. So 13 people is going to be my answer. What I want you to do is I want you to complete 2 of the problems from part 1 on your benchmark review, and I want you to complete 2 of the problems on part 2 of the benchmark review. You can decide which ones you'd like to do.